Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do an unboxing of a brand new spray gun that I just got right now. It's a Fuji spray gun. So let me open it up and see what's inside. So 1.3. Nice, a regulator. It's almost like the SATA regulator. Has a 1.4 right now. Fuji spray. Wow, has a real short turn on the pattern. Alright guys, so this is an unboxing of the MPX-30 Fuji spray gun, and I'll be doing a demonstration and review on it. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, let me open it up. Right there you can see it's a 1.4. And I also got the 1.3 needle setup. Nice. Alright guys, so like I said, this is a brand new MPX-30 Fuji spray gun, and I'll be trying it out with the 1.4 and the 1.3, and I'll do a review on the gun, see how it sprays. Haven't seen a lot of these on YouTube now, but I'll give you my I think the only one that's been given a review on this is Motivated Painters. So I'll give you my review and go from there. Alright guys.